Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to check PI coin balance. PI network is a fast growing cryptocurrency project designed to make crypto mining simple and accessible for everybody. Unlike traditional cryptocurrency that require powerful computer and high electricity, PI network allows users to mine PI coin directly from their smartphone with just one tap a day. And in this video I'll show you how to check your PI coin balance step by step inside the network app. First, simply need to open to the PI network app over here on your phone and make sure you're logged into your account. And on the home screen, you'll see your PI balance displayed at the top. This shows the total PI you have mined, including your base mining rewards and the bonuses. You can also check the wallet balance over here. And once you go to this lightning icon here, you'll find all of this PI browser, PI wallet, and here you can see your available balance, logged PI, and the transaction history if your wallet is activated. And if your wallet is not set up yet, your PI wallet still show in the main app, but it won't be transferable until the KYC and the wallet setup are completed. And that's how you check your PI coin balance easily. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And if you have any trouble or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.